making Angie's casserole. And I was like, hey, want to give a crack at it? And that's what I'm gonna do. But a little nervous about it because I don't cook, but we can learn. One can always learn, right? No, what am I supposed to do with this other stuff? That's the other thing too. I just take it step by step. I try to overwhelm myself with everything at once instead of just taking it step by step. Cut this onion up. I have no idea. Do you peel this? Do you? You know, I get frustrated by the fact that I don't know what to do. Just control it. I'm in unknown, uncharted waters. I think I got it. Oh, I got it. Oh, it's easier than I thought. 2 small onions. Okay, so I'm gonna take this whole one and cut like 1/4 of it, because that's as much onions as I'm willing to taste when I eat it. If I eat it. Okay, I guess I have to eat it. Some of it. I'm not a big fan of many of the ingredients in there. Like, again, I have no idea why I chose it. Maybe it chose me. Chopping up the meat. The oven's preheated. I don't even like onions on my McDonald's sandwich. Progress is being made already. Easy Susan over here. Our dog Max. Okay, beef is done. Not excited to cut these mushrooms, but oh well. Any of you professional cooks out there watching, I'm doing the best I can. It's heavy for the greater good. Oh, my children are not gonna eat these. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna put a few mushrooms in there and like really cut it up. Who knows, my family might surprise me and they might love it. But if I made it again, which I think I will make some form of it again in the future, I think I'll make it just with a little bit different ingredients. We're gonna start with Angie's casserole. I just didn't put the whole 4 ounces of mushrooms in there. I just put probably not even an ounce, just a little bit. 2 cans of tomato soup. Easy enough. I really wonder how this is gonna taste. At this point, it's starting to feel like an experiment. But I think cooking is kind of like parenting. It's like, at first you don't know what you're doing, but then one child, the next child, and you kind of learn, you know, different personalities of children and different time frames of your life. Both cooking, it's like after one dish, after a next dish, and then you can learn how to make your own unique blend of meals or whatnot. And I think this looks like spaghetti. Okay, 1 can of beef consomme. I've never heard of beef consomme prior to this. Hopefully this meal, and the more I make from the recipe book, I'll learn. What? Is it just broth? If I drain this, is there something else in there? No, it's just broth. I'm so nervous. Oh my God, that was gross. I'm not gonna lie, that looks disgusting. I just never seen these ingredients come together like this. I don't think Angie knew what she was doing when she made this casserole. I'm just kidding. I don't even know what Angie. We're getting to the end of it. Olives, more weird ingredients. My kids are gonna look at this and say, can you DoorDash? I'm just going to do a few olives. I swear the ingredients in here better wow me. I pray to God that they do, because I don't like wasting food. Share with me in the comment box, because I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm going to add the grated cheese on top after I mix this really well. I'll show you guys what it looks like in a second. This is what it looks like. Looks like regular spaghetti. That is a lot of food. This is like for a potluck. Here we go. I'm gonna grate the cheese and I am done. Put it in the oven for 20 minutes and we'll see how it goes. How do you grate cheese? Okay, right? I think like this. I don't know. Chef CEO Sam. It's dropping on the floor. And into the oven it goes for 20 minutes. And the time is up. Dun, 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 dun. Angie's casserole done by one and only. Oh, it smells good. It does smell good, I have to say.
Oh, it actually does.
Between the olives, okay. Okay.
No, I'm sorry about the olive, but I'm just saying it smells really good.
And we have the sizzling, smelling good, the olives with the cheese. So it actually smells good.